Hello friends, in front of me Bhavya Agarwal ji is sitting. She secured All India rank 21 with 92 marks in AFM. Yes friends, you heard it right. She did her articleship from Grant Thornton and she is well aware of all the practical aspect of training as well as she is academically very strong. So Bhavya ji, I just want to limit my discussion with AFM. You scored such an extraordinary marks, 92% marks. It's a dream come true. Yes. In a professional exams like CA, you secured above 90 marks. So please let us know about your preparation, how you managed in a very few words so that students can prepare themselves also for such a nice marks, 90% marks. In class I used to say 100 out of 100. I think 92 marks is one of them because there are few marks which are deducted for theory. Your practical is super duper strong. You must have secured 100% marks in MCQs. I am quite confident about it. So please go ahead.
So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity that I am in front of you and sharing my journey. So if I talk about AFM, when I started taking the lectures, I was not. I was like that. Okay, I'm doing because I was taking the lecture only. Even I was not able to revise the whole part when that I have taken that in the lecture because in some chapters you always used to say that please revise this chapter. For example, in portfolio you are like nahi, this you have to revise, this you have to revise. So for that chapters only I revised after the class, but apart from those chapters I haven't even revised the lectures and notes and all. But when I started studying in my study leave and I took your revision lecture, so that revision lecture is the most important element in my 92 marks. If I haven't taken that revision lecture, that I won't be able to secure 92 marks, because I took the revision lectures along with the theory notes that I have prepared in my classes, and it was aligning the lectures, the revision lectures and the question bank. Three components were aligned and I was able to secure 92 marks, and I practiced 4 times the whole syllabus. And I compressed your notes. Your notes were very brilliant. There was a question in November 23 exams, and that question was out of the syllabus because I haven't seen that question, but the concept that was there in that question was there in your notes. I searched in your notes. So that makes me like this. I was very confident when I searched that concept in your notes. So I was very confident after compressing your notes that I would be able to secure 90 plus, because in my first mock test I got 96 marks.
Great.
So in that way I managed my AFM.
So you got a comprehensive notes from my end.
Yes,
and
yes.
plus with revision lectures you have managed to secure such a good marks.
Yes.
So if anybody is targeting such a good marks, then I think what one suggestion you want to give them?
I want to say that your concept should be very clear, because there is no what can I say, there is no shortcut to your success, because you have to be conceptually very clear, because ICI is now checking your concepts. Not ICI is not giving you similar questions that were there in your previous exams and previous your material. So I think the main content that you are giving to students, the main thing is the conceptual clarity that you are
Great.
giving.
And paper was tough. Paper was tough, and you also started doubting. Yeah, paper was tough, but I have given a good attempt.
Yes.
And also for IBS, paper number 6.
It helped me a lot. Even I haven't opened the AFM material. AFM material was aside, literally. I haven't even touched the AFM material.
In IBS also, it helped you to secure good marks.
Yes, definitely.
So, friends, conceptual clarity is must, and I think the proof is Bhavya Agarwal, who secured All India rank with 92% marks. So, all the best for you also. If you follow proper strategy with proper planning, you can also secure. Even our students secured 100 out of 100 marks in this subject, 98, 99, 97. So, I want you now to secure such a good marks. Bhavyaji had proved, and now definitely this marks will be with her forever entire life, and she will cherish this moment of scoring above 90% marks in a professional exams like chartered accountancy. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
2 मिनट है आपके पास. पता है 2 मिनट में जिंदगी नहीं बदलती, पर 2 मिनट में लिया हुआ फैसला आपकी जिंदगी जरूर बदल सकता है. और जब सवाल 100% मार्क्स विद टारगेट करोड़ प्लस सैलरी इन फाइनेंस हो, तो 2 मिनट देना तो बिल्कुल बनता है. जिस तरह से बिना पेट्रोल के कार नहीं चल सकती, उसी तरह से बिना फाइनेंस के कंपनी का चलना नामुमकिन है. एक अच्छी फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट हो तो कंपनी फर्ज से अर्ज तक पहुंच जाती है, और अगर फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट बुरी निकली तो कंपनी अर्ज से फर्ज तक आ जाती है. तो हो जाइए तैयार आप भी उन लाखों स्टूडेंट में से जिन्होंने वर्ल्ड के वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट कोर्स सीए में 100% मार्क्स सिक्योर किया इन सीए फाइनल एसएफएम. जहां स्टूडेंट्स को सीए पास होने की फिक्र होती है, वहीं हमारे स्टूडेंट्स कई बार ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 लेकर आए. जहां स्टूडेंट्स को आर्टिकलशिप में 50,000 पर मंथ स्टाइपेंड विद सैटरडे संडे ऑफ मिलता है इन इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग फर्म. जहां सीए क्लियर करने के बाद हमारे स्टूडेंट्स वर्ल्ड की वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपनीज में रिक्रूट किए जाते हैं. हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को यह पता होता है हाउ टू ट्रेड इन स्टॉक मार्केट, हाउ टू अटेंड एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग, वोटिंग पावर का कैसे यूज किया जाए, डिविडेंड कैसे रिसीव होता है, और निफ्टी और सेंसेक्स किस तरह से फ्लैक्चुएट करता है, प्राइस क्यों अप एंड डाउन होते हैं. इन सारे नॉलेज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को होती है. तो ये सब जानने और समझने के लिए आप भी उन लाखों स्टूडेंट्स में हो जाइए शामिल. विथ मोस्ट एक्सटेंसिव पाथ ब्रेकिंग कवरेज of more than 1000 concepts with live stock market practical knowledge with 0% doubt aim. तो अगर आपको फाइनेंस से प्यार है और स्टॉक मार्केट आपका पैशन है, तो ये सुनहरा मौका हाथ से जाने मत दीजिए. मैं आदित्य जैन अपने 15 साल के टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आपको पढ़ाने आ रहा हूं विथ मोटो ऑफ लर्न मोर अर्न मोर. द मोर यू लर्न द मोर यू अर्न. तो याद रखिएगा, वक्त सबका आता है, कोई बिखर जाता है, कोई निखर जाता है. आज पसीना नहीं बहाया तो कल आंसू बहाने पड़ेंगे. मेक दी रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ बेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. जितना कठिन संघर्ष होगा, जीत उतनी ही शानदार होगी. तो आपके इस वैल्यूएबल समय के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. याद रखिएगा, सफलता एक दिन में नहीं मिलती, मगर ठान लो तो एक दिन जरूर मिलती है. तो adityajain.com में जाइए और वहां से अपने फाइनेंस करियर की शुरुआत कीजिए. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू सो मच.